For the first time in history of Poland, Łódź University of Technology organized the international conference of program Cost Action TU1207, Next Generation Design Guidelines for Composites in Construction. Worldwide specialists in the field of composites, experienced engineering experts and researchers discussed the use of fiber-reinforced polymer composites and implementing composite materials to the construction industry in a very wide range. It is a program of research collaboration and mobility related to the transfer of knowledge from the science to the industry and from industry to the science in the field of applications of composite materials in the construction industry. The meeting organized in Łódź is a general meeting that is one of the biggest comparing to previous ones. Such meetings are held every 6 months. Łódź University of Technology is one of the main shareholders of the Cost Action. Thus, people from all over Europe come here to discuss innovative implementations, above-standard research and design guidelines in the area of lightweight, corrosion-resistant, modern, advanced composite materials. The 3-day symposium is an opportunity to discuss new ideas and topics from different research areas. Today, meetings are linked to the joint workshop Cost Action Rylem. During the parallel sessions organized in the performing hall belonging to the university are conducted seminars on the usage of composites in the form of sheets, laminates, bars, fabrics, and filament fibers used in the concrete structures as the distributed reinforcement. The greatest interest aroused presentations by experts in the field of strengthening of historic monumental buildings from Italy and from Greece.
3 days full of workshops, lots of times for scientists to discuss and to interact also for the industry, because this is something that is very important for us. So to take the research that we do in the lab and bring it to industry so that it can be applied by engineers, so that we can accelerate also the use of this type of material in construction. This is a special session done specifically looking at the use of fiber-reinforced cementitious materials in construction. So we're looking at a specific type of application.
Besides the strong representation of the scientific community, there were also representatives of the business and industry. During the second day, they presented the most interesting projects of applications of polymer composites to reinforce existing different kind of structures. Besides reinforcement realizations, they presented also examples of applications of non-metallic reinforcement and light space composite profiles for building components, barriers, covers, and wall elements. Leading Łódź companies participate in this conference not only as a partners or sponsors, but in order to implement new technologies within their own application in the construction field. This conference was a unique way of advertising our research laboratory in the Faculty of Civil Engineering, Architecture and Environmental Engineering in the Łódź University of Technology, where a lot of experimental tests have been carried out on structural applications of the FRP composites for last 15 years. This conference is a big chance to promote the civil engineering development in our Łódź region. Voivodeship authorities accepted for the regional development the work package of the advanced building materials, which is our smart specialization in the region. So each event, which brings together fantastic representatives of the industry, gives our region a huge promotion and splendor. The design guidelines that will be published in the international project will bring a great opportunity to use them by Polish engineers in the regional development strategy. I think it is also a chance for Łódź engineering companies which are interested in applications of these innovative composite materials to get the support of the Voivodeship province due to a dedicated program of the regional development strategy. Even these advanced polymer materials are not very common in Poland. This cost conference helped their dissemination in the Polish building and construction market.